Oh, hello! Is that you guys? Oh, I was just thinking of a delicious recipe to make, and suddenly, fruit ball salad got into my mind. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it in a delicious way. This is my best little buddy who's always here watching you guys. She loves my recipes, just like you. Look at this. I got this little bud from Niagara she's sitting on. This little bud loves watching you. So let's move on. What we actually need for our fruit salad is, well, a watermelon, bananas, mangoes, papaya. Well, if you don't have any one of them or a few of them, no problem. You can do it when you have them, or you can do it with a few things, and it's always delicious. You know, you can only do it with watermelon. It looks beautiful and tastes beautiful. We also need a few blueberries. You can see here. Well, I got here custard. Custard. I love it. Well, you can add sweetened yogurt or flavored yogurt instead of custard, or also fresh cream or anything else like that. And you need this to scoop out those watermelon and all those. And then you need bowls to serve. Let's move on. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna take the mango first. Mango piece. I love mango. It's one of my favorites. I'm gonna take this little one because it's tiny. First, I just put like this. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh yeah, I got a little tiny bowl. I'm gonna put it in. Oh yeah, I need to use Well, thinking of getting it out from my hand, getting the fruit from my hand, I thought of getting a tiny little spoon that might help me. Can help you get it out and also eat it. Let's do a few more of the mangoes. Chewy. I love it. It's so satisfying, guys. Oh, it was so easy. Now, well, I think 3 will fit at least. Get out. Ooh. Oh, that was a tiny little one, no problem. I think there'll be more. Over here. Yes. Oh, no problem. That still looks like a little ball. Well, I think mango's done. One more. Might help. Oh, yeah, I got another ball. Oh, here. 5 cute little balls. I think we're done with the mangoes. So I'm gonna put it over. Then we should move on to the banana. Peeling off is a little hard for me. Ooh, I always leave a little banana. Peel it out and keep it over here. Now, I'm gonna use the tiny one since it's tiny. As you can see, I got a beautiful round banana ball. Oh, I forgot it. Ouch, that made a thud. How will work if I tapped it? That sound. Got a little more. It's gonna be super simple. There you go. We'll start. Maybe we can get 4. Yes. That seems fun. Let's try on the other side. Now we should get the papaya. Oh yeah. I'm gonna use a bigger scoop since it's a little bigger. It's really slippery. Maybe I can use a smaller one because the bigger one doesn't fit. Okay. Oh well, look. I got a beautiful piece. Yes. Why do I always keep forgetting about this? You know what, guys? I have a super wobbly tooth. Ow, it hurts. It's really funny. It feels so annoying to have a wobbly tooth and it wobbles you or your teeth. Oh, now I'm gonna go to this is so hard. It's satisfying. Try that. Okay, one more. Oh yeah, another little beautiful piece. There you go. Oh, the papayas are all in one place. Let me see if I can get some from over here. Yeah, I got a beautiful one. Oh, pretty cool, huh? And then this one. Over here, right? Yeah. It's hard. Here, I'm gonna scoop a few more out of the papayas. I'm getting a lot though. Come on. Oh, this is a pretty good. Oh, I can use my hand to get that. Let's see. Well, I think that's enough, but we'll still get one more. Nice ripe papaya. Oh, what was it? Right there. Why am I using these to get that? No. Huge watermelon. I can't even lift that. Okay, I'm gonna get it. That bounces. I'm gonna use a very huge scoop. I mean, scoop. Yeah, look, I got a beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. Actually, 2 pieces. I'll take that. Now my watermelon looks more like a flower instead of a watermelon. Actually, literally, it should be watermelon because it's so watery. You see water here. Nice. Now, since we're done with the watermelon, I'm getting rid of it. I'll keep it over here because there's so much. Now, since they're all full and colorful, now it's time to add some blueberries. I'm adding them since they're round and also blue. And you can add other round fruits if you know any. Well, whole oranges. Just kidding, just kidding. Now I'm gonna add a few blueberries so that they look pretty good. Oh, I see a mango. It's so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Now look at this colorful fruit salad. Now I'm gonna add the creamy, bouncy, delicious custard. Onto the salad you go. Come on, now. It's so sticky. I'm gonna add too much. Well, I love custard. I love fruits. I love everything now. I love every of my recipes. I hope you do. He doesn't even leave the spoon. Like, spoon is its best friend. Delicious. I think the fruit salad will look more like custard instead of fruit salad. That's enough. Now, as you can see, my delicious fruit ball salad is ready. Ow. And now I'm gonna try my delicious fruit ball salad. Look. Oh, the custardy feeling. I'm gonna have the watermelon. It's just so cheap and soft. The mango is delicious. The watermelon has a watery summer feeling. And the other fruits are just so sweet and delicious. That was my fruit ball salad. Thanks for watching.